Assalamualaikum. So this is our mobile robot, vacuum cleaning mobile robot. So if I open its lid, you can see. So this is Arduino Uno, and there is a motor driver under it, which is connected to two motors. And this is ultrasonic sensor for obstacle avoidance. This is a section connected with the fan that is for used for the purpose of vacuum cleaning. There are two motors being used. So two batteries being used. So these are two batteries are each battery packet is of 8 volts, so 4 volt each cell. This is 18650 cell being used over here. So one it's connected with this fan only because the 12-volt fan, and this is second one is connected with the motor driver. And there you can see the two switches over here which are used to on the system. If I switch on this one, you can see the fan will start. Fan is working. The second one is for the motors. So if I close the lid, so now I have closed the lid. You can see over here that is the trash we have, and this is the robot. So if I switch on, when it will move over the trash, it will suck into the vacuum section. So I have switched on.